Hello guys, welcome to our channel Dolly Talks. How are you all? I think so all are fine. I'm also fine. In today's video, my mother and my sister will do the craft, and my mother will teach to my sister and my sister will do. Your children also enjoy this craft. If you enjoy this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please click bell icon, and let's go into the video. Butterfly making. Okay, now I will show how to make that butterfly. బటర్ఫ్లైని చేయడం మీకు కానీ ఈ క్రాఫ్ట్ నచ్చినట్లయితే మా ఛానల్ని ఇప్పుడే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. బాయ్.